Welcome, aspiring developers. Today we're going to talk about how you can kickstart your journey to becoming a Java backend developer in 2024. So grab your favorite coding tools and let's dive in. First and foremost, familiarize yourself with the Java programming language. Learn the syntax, understand the concepts, and get comfortable with writing code in Java. Next, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of backend development. Gain knowledge about servers, databases, and how they interact with front-end systems. Now let's talk about frameworks. In the world of Java backend development, frameworks like Spring and Hibernate are essential. Invest time in understanding their features and how they can simplify your development process. Practice, practice, practice. Building real-world projects is the best way to solidify your skills. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex ones. This hands-on experience will make you a confident developer. To enhance your skills, consider getting certified in Java. Certifications can add credibility to your resume and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. There are various Java certifications available, so choose one that aligns with your career goals. Don't forget about version control systems like Git. Knowing how to collaborate with other developers and manage your code effectively is crucial in the industry. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in the Java ecosystem. Attend conferences, join online communities, and read blogs to keep yourself informed. Networking is key. Connect with other professionals in the field, join developer groups, and participate in coding competitions. Building a strong network can open doors to exciting opportunities. Lastly, never stop learning. Technology is constantly evolving, and as a developer, it's crucial to stay curious and continuously upskill yourself. There you have it, folks. Follow these steps, put in the effort, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a Java backend developer in 2024. Good luck on your journey.